Hi guys, a very warm welcome to Body Pro Coach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today we are doing my all-time favorite, a keto protein yogurt. Yes, let's quickly go and see the recipe. Let's see the ingredients. In a mixing bowl, I'm going to add 1 scoop of whey protein. That's here. Next, I'm going to add approximately 200 grams of Greek yogurt, which is unsweetened. There you go. Now, I'm going to mix this mixture evenly so that the protein and the yogurt gets mixed. It's a super easy recipe. Lastly, I'm going to add some fresh strawberries and some fresh nuts to it. So I have some strawberries, that goes here. And lastly, I have some roasted nuts. So it's about 20 grams of almonds and 20 grams of walnut. I have already roasted them in 1 teaspoon of desi ghee. On top of it, if you like, it's optional, you can drizzle some amount of cinnamon powder. And there we go. So our protein yogurt is ready. It is loaded with amazing benefits, few of them being: first, it is loaded with probiotics. It is excellent for gut health. Third, it is rich source of amino acid, which are building blocks of protein, which helps you to recover your muscles faster. So enjoy the same guilt-free. Request you to please subscribe our channel, hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all our videos. We do a lot of videos on nutrition, information, and excellent, amazing workouts. Thank you.